y'all doing? Pat here at Pat's Rides. I'm on State Route 26 heading south towards Marietta, Ohio right now. A very pretty scenic road with lots of good curves on it. So stick around, stay tuned, we'll see what we get into today. Picked up State Route 26 off of 800 just out of, well, technically inside Woodsfield, Ohio. Been on 800 since I left Denison. Two covered bridges on this road also. One you can drive through and one you can't. Might have to take a little detour and stop at them.
At this point in the fly's life, what do you think was going through his mind? If you listen, you can actually hear him hit my helmet.
Wicked bump. As you're headed from north to south, this is the first of the two covered bridges. Follows the Little Muskingum River. That's what the old covered bridge spans. We're not going to stop at the next covered bridge, but it's up here a little ways on the left also. There's a couple motorcycles at the covered bridge. Hewn Bridge. We'll slow down here just a little bit. That one you can actually drive through if you choose. downshipped. About to enter Marietta, or at least the outskirts of it, if memory serves. I've left Marietta. I'm on 550 West, which if you're traveling east and west and you don't want to be on a 4-lane, 550 is one of the nicest ways to get in and out of Marietta. It's got some great twists and turns here and there, and just also has some gentle curves, and it's scenic. The road's actually in good shape right now. Right now we're on our way to Obetti's Red Hots. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know I love that place. I made a video about it. I'll try to post a link to it in this end screen. Ooh, meat wagon. Okay, today is September 14th. I just realized two things. Here in southern Ohio, I'm not far from the Ohio River right now. There's way too many leaves that have changed color a little bit. And then on a personal note, I just realized 31 years ago today, I went active duty in the United States Navy. Man, I'm getting old. Hard to believe, 31 years. Wow. 6 of those were spent active. Just doesn't seem like it. As 550 and State Route 377 come together up here, this part of 550 gets really nice as far as a lot of twists and turns. These trees, you would think it'd be the middle of October or the beginning, not the middle of September. Even though the Farmer's Almanac says we're supposed to get a crap winter. I mean about it getting good right here towards the intersection. The only bad thing is it's a downhiller. I don't like downhillers. It's more fun coming the other way, coming up this hill. course, I think it takes a little bit more skill on the downhill. Oh, hey, look at that, fresh pavement. Oh, that was short-lived. Yeah, you do need to watch this intersection, so you're ever through here, just kind of slow down and be careful. And as you can see from the sign, we're still on 550 West. This will take us right into Athens. Well, I'm not too far from home now. I had to hop on the super slab to get home before the wifey goes to work. Wouldn't want to not be able to say goodbye before she goes to work. So I think I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this. If you'd like it, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for the notifications. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.